Hello class, all are fine? Yes. Today we learn a new chapter in EVS children, that is dance forms of India. Children, do you all love to dance? Yes, everyone will love to dance. You can enjoy while dancing, right? So today we learn the dance forms. That means the different types of dances in India, children. What are the different types of dances? Okay, let's see. Dance is a performing art form consisting of purposefully selected sequences of human movement. Dance is performing art. That means dance means it is a art. Okay. Performing art form consisting of purposefully selected sequences. You can't dance like however you want. There should be some steps for that, right? For the song, there should be some steps. So, there should be some steps of the human movement. You should do when you're dancing, you should do some movements, right? Yes. Dance has aesthetic and symbolic value. It has some main values. You can't dance however you want. There are some values for the dance. There are forms of dance which have their particular steps. Okay, now let's see the classical dance forms. Okay, we can see here few classical dance forms. That is Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Odissi, Mohiniyattam, Kathakali and Manipuri. These are the classical dance. Now we shall know each dance. Okay, how it is famous and where it is originated and where the dance is from. Okay, first we'll see the Bharatanatyam. Okay, you can see the dance form Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam, it is one of the oldest classical dance in India. This dance is from long years. Okay, and it is originated in Tanjavur district of Tamil Nadu, children. This dance is first originated in Tamil Nadu. There is one district called Tanjore. Okay, there it was originated. Okay, it is a classical dance. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance form. Okay, next one it is Kuchipudi. Okay, can you see? This also similarly looks like Bharatanatyam only. Okay. And this dance performance is like a drama. Okay. Like drama. There will be some stories. It will be like a drama. Okay. And it is originated in Andhra Pradesh. This dance form is first. It is originated in Andhra Pradesh. Next one, that is Kathak. Kathak is also a major classical dance. Okay, that is from the northern India. Okay, this Kathak is from the northern India, like the Jaipur, Lucknow and all. Okay, and this Kathak dance is known as Kathakaras. Okay, Kathakaras. And now it is shorted into Kathak. Kathak means the story. Katha. Katha means telling the stories. So Kathakaras. Kathakara means storytellers. The Kathak dancers, they are known as storytellers. Okay, they will tell various stories through their hand movements, children, and through the facial expressions. Through their hand movements and through the facial expressions, we can know the stories. Next one, it is the dance form, that is Odissi. This is also a classical dance. Okay. And it is also said as Orisi. Okay. And this is mainly originated from Odisha. Okay. These dances will be done in the Hindu temples. So you have learned the 4 different types of dances. Okay. Next one. Next one, it is Mohiniyattam. Okay, this is a famous classical dance in Kerala, children. Kerala in South India. Okay, this is also a famous classical dance in Kerala. Okay, and this is the one of the famous dance in the classical dance. Okay, and Mohiniyattam, it is a graceful dance. Okay, so you know Mohiniyattam, it is mainly from Kerala. Okay, next it is Kathakali. Kathakali, it is a dance of the story play. This is also similar like the Kathak dance, Kathakali. Okay, this also dance also tells us the story. It is from the southern western part of India, and this is also from the Kerala. Kathakali is also famous in Kerala. The next dance, it is Manipuri. Okay, this Manipuri dance is also known as Jagoi. Okay, known as Jagoi. Right? It is from the Manipur. This dance is famous in Manipur. Okay, so you have learned the different kinds of dances. That is 7 forms of dances, which are all, that is children, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Odissi, Mohiniyattam, Kathakali and Manipuri. Now we shall move on to the next form of dance, that is folk dance. That is folk dance. Okay. In that, the first is drum dance. It is also said as Dollu Kunita. What? Dollu Kunita. This dance is played by banging the drums. Using the drums, they are going to dance. Okay. And it is famous in Karnataka. Okay, this Dollu Kunita, you can see in many festivals like Dasara and all. You can see this Dollu Kunita. Okay, and it is mainly done in Karnataka. And this dance is worshipped by the Kurba Gaudas of Karnataka. The Kurbas will do this dance. Okay, they will perform the Dollu Kunita. So next one, it is Bhangra. Okay, this is the dance of Punjab. Okay, this dance you can see mainly in Punjab. Okay, this dance is mainly done during the Vaishakhi festival. There is a festival called Vaishakhi, and this dance is mainly performed by that festival. That is the festival of harvest, children. Okay, like we celebrate Hutriya and all, the same way this is celebrated during the festival of Vaishakhi. Okay, and this is a very energetic and lively form of dance. It will be very active. The dance, when you dance Bhangra, you will be very energetic. The fastest movements. Okay, next one, it is Yakshagana. This dance is developed from Dakshin Karnataka, like Udupi, Uttar Karnataka, Shivamogga and few parts of Chikmagalur. Okay, this Yakshagana you can see in Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Shivamogga and few, that is western parts of Chikmagalur. Okay. This act or combines, what happens, this act includes the dance, music, dialogue, costume, makeup and the stage techniques. You can see this in this Yakshagana. You will have dance, the music, they will have dialogues. Their costume is very beautiful, children. Okay, the makeups. Okay, they will they do the makeups to the face and all. It will be very, okay, it will be very interesting. Okay, and the stage performance, when they give the presentation in the stage, they will have some techniques. They use the techniques and they will perform the dances. Okay, hope you all understood the class, children, that is different forms of dances. Thank you, children.